Welcome to another interesting episode of Biology SSE/UTME class. Sorry about that. Okay, today we'll be treating living things slash cell biology. Now we all know living things are things that have life in them, and the cell is the basic unit of life. When we say basic unit of life, we mean the foundation. Without foundation, no house can exist. Yes. So let's take some few questions. Well, more are yet to come, but let's treat this few for now. All right, this question says, which of the following distinguishes a plant cell from an animal cell? We have two cells there, plant cell and animal cell. A, presence of mitochondria. B, absence of cell wall. C, presence of chloroplast. And D, absence of nucleus. Very simple, but very tricky. Okay, let me give you the answer before I do some explanation. This is the answer here. Presence of chloroplast. The animal cell contains no chloroplast. Chloroplast is only found in plant cell. This is that green pigment that gives the leaves its color green. Chloroplast contains the chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll make the plants green in color or greenish in color. Now look at it. The root absence of nucleus. There is nucleus there. Absence of cell wall. There is cell wall in plant cell. Plant cell has double layer. The first layer is the cell wall, which gives it this shape, rigidity, etc. Then presence of mitochondria common to both of them. So this is the only one that is different. Presence of chloroplast. This is found only in plant cell. It's not found in animal cell. Let's take another question. Still on living things. Okay, let's take another interesting question again. Let's take another interesting one. The spider is different from the prawn. The spider is different from the prawn in the possession of dash. A, antenna. B, jointed appendages. C, thorax. Then D, none. Now, these features are features of an insect. Mind you, a spider is not an insect. Why? It doesn't have the features of an insect. It doesn't have antenna, compound eye, etc. So spider is called arachnid, belongs to arachnida, class arachnida. So the correct answer here is antenna. Spider doesn't have antenna. So apart from the antenna, okay, sorry, apart from the spider, we have other arachnid like your tick, lice. You discover this animal doesn't have a antenna. So that is one of the key points for an animal to be an insect. It must possess antenna, but spider does not possess antenna. So the answer is antenna. Let's take a look at another one. Still on living things slash cell biology. All right, let's take another question. Let's remind ourselves of organization level of life. Organization level of life. Now we have cell, tissue, organ, and system. Now cell, tissue, organ, and system. Now cell, as we all know, is the basic unit of life. Is the basic, is the lowest. Without cell, there can't be tissue. Now two or more cells that function a specific duty or carry out specific function is known as tissue. Is known as tissue. So, e.g., blood is a tissue. Why? So we have the red blood cell, the white blood cell, platelets in there. That means This is an example of a tissue. Then two or more tissues that function alike is known as organ. Organs like the heart, brain, kidney, etc. Then the combination of all these now, we have two or more organs. Two or more organs that function a specific duty is called system. System. And in a plant now, we have just two systems there, the shoot and the root system. But in animal, we have, name them, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, etc. Now you discover that this system has different organs that function alike. If they don't function alike, it's not called a system. That means in a system, there is cell there is tissue, there is organ. So the question says, the lowest level of organization in living organism is dash. The correct answer here is cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. So you have B, system, tissue, and organ. But in case you are asked to arrange it, this is the arrangement. You have the cell, tissue, organ, and system. So cell, once more, is the correct option.